Hi everyone. So now let us discuss another problem. The question is check subsets. So it's very easy problem, I would say. Given two non-empty strings, you need to write a function that determines whether the second string is a subsequence of the first one. For example, the input is coding minutes and we want to check whether this string s2 is a subsequence or a subset of the string s1, right? So the answer is yes. So C is there, I is there, N is there, E is there, and S is there. So all of these uh, characters lie in the same order as they lie in this, right? So we can say yes, CEINES is a subset of this particular string. Now let us discuss, or maybe you pause this video and think how you would solve this problem, right? So let me show you, right? So one way is you generate all possible subsets of the first string and then you check whether the second subset the second string matches with exactly with one of those subsets. So that is going to be a very inefficient solution because generating subsets is going to take order of 2 raised to the power n into n time, and then matching will also take extra time, right? So this is going to be a exponential solution, right? So maybe you can do something better. Now let us see how we can actually solve this problem, right? So the idea is you keep two pointers, right? You start matching either from the left or you start matching either from the right. Let's say this is I and this is J. So you need to know that you will match all the characters of the second string with some characters in the first string. So what do, you start from the right. You see, do S and S match? The answer is yes, they do match. So what do, you bring both I and J pointers one position back. Again you check, do E and D match? Yes. So what do, you bring both I and J pointers one position back. Now you are at a position where you have T in the first string and you have N in the second string. What do you need to do, right? So should you move the I pointer or J pointer, right? The answer is we do not need to move J pointer because we need to match this one, right? We need to match this one. So what we will do is, okay, we will move the I pointer, right? So we come here and you can see this matches, right? So this matches. So what do, you again move I and J pointer and you see I and I also match, right? So you again move your I and J pointer. So now your J pointer is at this position and your I pointer is at this position, right? Then you have what you will do, you don't, until you don't get a C, you keep on decreasing your I pointer. So I comes here, I comes here, I comes here, I comes here, and I comes here. So finally you have a match. So what do, you reduce both I and the J pointer, and let's say J reaches a position where it is equal to -1. So finally if J reaches -1, you can say that all your characters in the second string have been matched with a subsequence of a first string. So how much time it is going to take? It is going to take linear time. So let's say if you have this string length has m, this string length has n. In the worst case, you would be traversing all the positions of both the strings at most once. So it will be order of m plus n solution, right? So that's all, and I hope you would be able to code it now and see the solution in the next video.